This event here in Barcelona has shown that people coming from different countries can work efficiently together, even in very difficult moments with the COVID, for instance, and show that we are capable of developing tools that will be useful in clinical settings in the next years.
In the future, every year, 10 million people will die globally because of antimicrobial resistance. This is why this workshop is very important.
We have lots of problems with antimicrobial resistance, so we have to find solutions, and the solutions should be very rapid because timing is essential for the mortality of these infections.
We are in the second year of the European project called EMR Detect Tool. So the conclusion will be launched next year at the end of the project. But nowadays we already have enough data to say that the rapid diagnostic test or rapid detection of antimicrobial resistance, it's important from both points of view, from the clinical point of view, so applying a rapid and more adequate antimicrobial therapy based on the results that we are getting on this rapid test, and also probably economical impact, having a cost efficiency in implementing this rapid test.
The main conclusions and strategies that have been discussed during this Congress is to extend the number of targets, number of resistances that are detected by this tool needs to be rapidly identified, and of course inform the general public of the efforts that the different governments and the European Union are doing by providing support for this kind of work.